20 Ways to Stay Motivated. What drives us to stay motivated is as individual as we are, so you need to tailor a motivation that will resonate with you. The more you know and understand yourself, the more effective your efforts. Here are 20 simple strategies you can try. 1. Understand your why. Sometimes it's not so much or how that matters, but your why, the purpose behind what you're doing. Being clear about what you're working for can give you the stimulus to stay on course. 2. Define your goal. Defined goals put your ideas into action mode. It's the vital step between planning and doing. 3. Create a clear vision. If you want to succeed, you must create a clear, compelling vision that you can relate to and resonate with. If it doesn't speak to your heart, it won't motivate you to stay on target. Create the highest, grandest vision possible because you can achieve only what you see. 4. Produce a plan. A goal without a plan, as we know, is just a dream. Once you have a goal in place, a project will take your vision and break down the steps you need to get it done. 5. Look for the bigger picture. When you have to stay motivated, think of the bigger picture. How does this relate not only to yourself but to others? How will it contribute to something meaningful? Where will this make a difference? To accomplish more, think bigger. 6. Keep it positive. Positive thoughts lead to positive actions, and self-affirming statements will help you achieve your best. Take control of how you think, how you feel, and how you act. Positivity will help you make the choices that lead to accomplishment. 7. Approach tasks in new ways. Sometimes just getting started might be the problem. A different approach might give you a new perspective and more energy. 8. Break goals into manageable tasks. A critical key to your success will be your ability to break down your goals into shorter term and smaller single tasks. Keep things manageable. 9. Get organized. Make sure your workplace is uncluttered so your mind can be arranged. A calm environment gives you a better chance of being more efficient and productive. 10. Tackle procrastination head-on. Don't make excuses or waste time rationalizing why you haven't already started. Instead, try to uncover the real reason for the delay and get to work immediately. The best way to begin something is to start. 11. Seize the power of deadlines. Setting a time limit for an activity will enable you to assemble your resources and materials for accomplishing things you might not otherwise get done. 12. Stop multitasking. Don't divide your attention but give your full and undivided self to the task. When you do, your chances for success go way up. 13. Starve your distractions. Do what you need to do to stop being distracted by people, tasks, or electronics. Devise strategies to help you start and complete tasks without distractions or interruptions. 14. Stay in the zone. Your best and most productive work is usually done in the area. Ask yourself how to create the perfect environment to do your best work and keep at it until you're done. 15. Choose success. Choose to be successful, then stick to your choice and see it to a conclusion. By creating a mental picture of yourself completing the job, you can increase your chances of success. 16. Keep it fun. Fun is not the enemy but a great motivator. If you seriously want to stay motivated, find a way to make it fun. 17. Harness the power of optimism. Optimism is the foundation of progress. The belief that you can accomplish something is essential to your ability to do it. 18. Reward yourself. Learn what it takes to get yourself to complete dreaded tasks and set up a reward system for completion. 19. Visualize yourself succeeding. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you focus, stay motivated, and achieve your goals. By creating a mental picture of yourself completing the job, even the worst tasks can feel like part of achieving something big. Remember, motivation starts within. Find it, keep it and make it work for you. 20. Plot your progress. When you are working towards something, it can be really motivating if you can see evidence that you're making progress. Draw or create a visual representation of how you're coming closer to achieving the goal you've set yourself.